In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete everything on your Google Drive in just 5 minutes, but before we dive in, a quick word of caution. Make absolutely sure that you don't need any of the files you're about to delete. Once you empty your trash, they're gone for good unless you have a backup or use a recovery service. Also, if you're using a work or school account, your administrator might have set some restrictions, so it's good to check with them first. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Google Drive. You can easily do this by heading over to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're there, find the left-hand menu and click on My Drive. This is where all your files and folders are stored. To select everything in My Drive, simply press Ctrl and A if you're using a Windows computer, or CMD and A if you're on a Mac. This keyboard shortcut will highlight all the files and folders in your drive, so you don't have to click them one by one. It's a huge time saver. Next, you'll need to move everything to the trash. With all your files selected, right click on the selection. A menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Remove. Alternatively, you might see a trash bin icon, and clicking this will also do the trick. Doing this will move all your selected files and folders to the trash. Now, to complete this process, you'll want to empty your trash to permanently delete these files. Look over to the left sidebar again and find the option labelled Trash. Click on it to open your trash folder. At the top you should see an option to empty trash. Go ahead and click that. Once you click empty trash, Google Drive will ask you to confirm this action just to make sure. Confirm that you want to proceed, and voila, you've successfully deleted everything on your Google Drive, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've cleared out your Google Drive in no time. Remember, it's important to double check that you really want to get rid of these files, as this action is permanent. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips.